Outwitted by chickens, the bird who killed the tiger brings us face to face with something strange that is never mentioned. The reality we find as adults is not the one we learned about while growing up. When a chick with one wing is delivered to a clinic for distressed seabirds, a series of events are triggered that reveal the chicken to be a superbird, more intelligent than the raven. Its true nature has been kept hidden because for society, the chicken is only food. The book is based on 8 years of observations of wild junglefowl, the living ancestor of domestic chickens, and flocks who accumulate in the garden of the seabird clinic. Their actions reveal their superior intelligence as they communicate about everything of concern to them. There are many striking individuals whose stories take you right into the society of these unusual birds, and their behavior shows, too, an unexpected parallel with our own species. But bands of cockfighters roam the island looking for birds to steal, so be prepared for a great adventure as we save them. Outwitted by Chickens, The Bird Who Killed the Tiger is available on Amazon.